Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. I'm going to show you how to clean banana stem. So my mother is demonstrating how to clean banana stem. I've shown a lot of recipes using this banana stem, and it's a very healthy and fibrous vegetable that we have to eat regularly. So in South India, especially in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, we eat banana stem a lot. The first thing that we do is we see that the stem has a nice and firm texture while purchasing it. It should not be soft, and the stem inside should have a nice core inside. So now we have started to peel the banana stem and remove all the fibers. This is a very fibrous vegetable. It is also very stringy. So we have to make sure that all the fibers are removed, and we use a serrated knife to peel this banana stem. The outer bark will be very slippery. So very carefully my mother is removing all the bark portion and the fibers. Use a serrated knife. A detailed video on how to prepare Vazhaithandu, that is a curry, traditional South Indian curry. I've also shown you how to prepare Bale Dindu masala or chaat, Bale Dindu kosambari. Then I've shown you Bale Dindu smoothies using banana stem. So there are many recipes that we use banana stem, and we also add it in sambars. It's very nice and tasty vegetable. Very good for kidney is what they say. Now my mother has removed all the fibers and she started to chop it in coins. Normally we chop this into coins like this and soak it in water, and then we chop it into tiny pieces. This vegetable will tend to discolor and it will turn dark brown in color. So that's the reason we have to store it in a small tub of water. So we have soaked this banana stem in water, and then we are chopping it into tiny pieces. We are stacking up 2 or 3 coins together, and we are chopping it into tiny pieces. As we are cutting this stem into coins, there will be a lot of fibers. We have to remove the fibers as we are chopping it into coins as well. So normally what we do, once we chop it into tiny pieces, we soak it in water. We add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to soften this banana stem. If you have yogurt, you can soak it in yogurt, or you can add a little bit of lime juice as I am doing it. I'm adding half a lime. I'm going to squeeze the lime juice in this banana stem and soften it for 15 minutes. You have to soak it in either yogurt or in lime juice. So if you're preparing salads, I would suggest use lime juice. And if you're preparing this for curry, soak it in yogurt. If you're using lime juice, the lime juice will infuse in the banana stem and give you a very nice fragrance and slightly sour taste if you're using this for salads. I'll be listing this video in Basics of Indian Cooking. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes and review videos. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.